G'day viewers, Grazza, and thanks for tuning in. And we're out at my local Lake Eppalock. Just come out for a quick after work fish, gonna fish till about dark, and we're gonna target a gold perch. Haven't had a lot of luck yet chasing them out here, but we're gonna have a fair crack this afternoon. Yeah, you know they gotta catch them at home, so we're gonna go hit that first spot, throw a few lures on and start flicking. So let's hope it's gonna be a good afternoon. Alrighty, first bite. So we've just pulled into a little bay here. We got some variations of depth, which is ultimately what we want to try. Yeah, we're just going to sort of focus on it, different depths, try a few different lures. I'm going to start off, got a little soft plastic, so I'm going to be running the Berkeley in the Berkeley in the claw, which is I think a 2.75 inch. Just lift a little Bassman jig head on that one, just running a little stinger off that as well. Also try something completely new, which I haven't used before, just a little vibe. It's the Barista Juggernaut 65 mil. Obviously it's got that little LED flashing light. First time I've used this lure, so I'm sort of keen to give that a go and see what sort of reaction we get out of the water with that. And I'm also going to throw a hard body. Now it's probably a little bit big, but I'm sort of keen to see how it goes. It's the Barista Smoke in the 80 mil. Very similar size to a size 2 sort of stump jumper. So yeah, sort of keen to see what sort of reaction I get out of that one as well. Who knows, we might come across a good fish. I don't believe it's too big for yellows to take, so we're going to give that a whirl as well. So anyway, we'll start casting. We've got the active target in the water, so we can have a good look around. We'll scan up a few fish, and yeah, let's see if they're hungry today. So we've got a nice little bay here. Some variations of deep. We're actually sitting in about 10 metres of water where we are now. A lot of spindly trees, bit of vegetation. I'm thinking I'm going to try the edges, see whether we see anything sort of actively sort of moving around in there. If not, we'll move out to some of the deeper stuff. But yeah, we'll just variations for depth, just cast. And we'll see whether we have any luck. Got him. Little sucker. A little ready. First one on the board, eh? There he is on that little Berkeley claw. It's only a small sucker. Let's get that pack out there, see whether there's any big ones in there. Got him! Oh, here's a nice ready. Look at that one. That's more like it. Stuff. Good stuff. There we go. There's a nice one. It's around that 30 mark. Popping back in. got him! Oh, what a cracker! Absolutely smashed that grub. Good stuff. Good stuff. The net's not ready. Oh, what a beautiful yellow. What a beautiful yellow. Oh, what a cracker. There we have it, guys. A beautiful Lake Eppalock yellow belly. He just went 40 centimeters. Just as the rain came in, just followed that grub up and just absolutely smashed it at the boat. How good is that? So we've just had the wind. We had a northerly and we've just had a southerly come in, and I've decided to sort of push up against this bank, only because generally when you get a bit of wind like this, it sort of pushes up a lot of bait to one side of the lake or to a bay. I'm seeing a lot of bait fish around, and not some pretty good sort of fish as well, just on the active target. So we'll persist with this grub and see whether we can pick one up. Got him. Got him. A little ready, I'd say. Oh, nice one. Nice one. We'll take that. Old gold grub doing the job. He's a nice little ready. Got him! Oh, there we go. This will be a nice yellow, this one. Oh, here we go. Please come in, please come in. Give me a look at ya. Oh, I reckon he's a nice one. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a little cod. It's a little cod. There we go. On the grub. Got him. Ha ha ha. Ripper. Ripper. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, it's cod. Nice Eppalock cod. He just went 51. Absolute beautiful fish. Thanks for coming. There you have it, guys. Afternoon, evening on Lake Eppalock, and we got a muzzer, Murray Cod, out of Eppalock. How good's that? It's not often that happens out here, so worth the effort, got some reward. Hope you enjoyed the episode, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.